here's what the room looks like. I have a nice little seating area with the window. Very simple bed. The meditation spot with another little cute window. And then the bathroom. And of course, Indian shower. Which I actually started to enjoy because it actually helps me be more mindful when I'm taking my shower, because I'm very conscious of all the water that I'm using and every single moment where the hot water touches my skin. It's pretty amazing. And this is the outside view. So we're staying here in this retreat for 4 nights. 4 nights and 3 days of meditation. And according to the schedule, it's pretty light, which I'm really happy about because I wasn't ready to really go in a super intense meditation retreat. And in these 3 days, you have some walking meditation and then a lot of different breaks and free time. And also the meditation sessions are 1 hour max. Contrary to Vipassana, which is a 10-day silent meditation where you meditate all day for multiple hours. So that is like next level, which I would like to do one day, but I don't feel ready to sit for this long and to confront everything that's in here. But this is a really nice start and to really soothe my mind, because the past week and a half that I've been here, there's been a lot going on in my head, a lot of anxiety and a lot of like feeling uncomfortable and difficulty letting go and really embracing the whole travel experience. I think it's nice to come to a really quiet place where I can recenter and reground myself and do these practices that really help me just calm down. Oh my god, it has been a long day. So today is actually the last day of the retreat, and I'm really happy about it because I am ready to move on to something else, and because the first 2 days of the retreat were silent, and now it's the last day where we can talk to the other people. And for me, it's also the day where I'm taking all of this footage about the retreat. So I'm a bit out of the meditation bubble that I was in, and I'm more like in working mode. It makes it very exciting because I am excited to work a bit, but also it's been really difficult to meditate today, especially in the morning session. I could not focus at all because I was thinking of all the footage that I need to take today and things like this. I feel like most of the other people, at least those that I've spoken to, have been going deeper and deeper into their meditation and they're really improving. Whereas for me, it started off being, I was very focused and very calm and very present. And then that was the first day. And then the second day was more struggle, more resistance. And now today is just like, oh yeah, I'm here, but I'm not really here because I'm working. I struggle a lot to just feel comfortable in my body. I feel a lot of tension in my shoulders and in my neck. Like maybe every 10 minutes I feel the need to stretch my neck. So I cannot be still during the entire meditation. So the next thing on the agenda is, I think, a bit more chanting, which is my favorite part actually. And then a short meditation, 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes. And then after that I think we have a yoga session and that's it. Then dinner, and then sleep, and it will be my last night. Yay! Okay. Let's go for the next adventure. I actually don't know where I'm supposed to go. And I'm gonna be late.
Oh, Mani Padme Hum. Oh, Mani Padme Hum. Oh, Mani Padme Hum. Oh, Mani Padme Hum. Anapanasati meditation is a Pali word. Ana means breathing in, Pana means breathing out, and Sati means to focus on the movement of breathing in and breathing out. Breathing is connected to the very core of life. Breathing is life, life is breathing. If there is no breathing, there is no life. I am joy, endless joy. Remind me, my Lord, remind me, my Lord, remind me, my Lord, who I am. I am joy, I am love, I am peace. Ananda Sarupa, e Prema Sarupa, Ananda Sarupa. Vishwa Shanti, Vishwa Shanti, Vishwa Shanti.
Hey guys, I just had my last meditation and it's in this beautiful cave. And it was a very good meditation. I managed to do 20 minutes. I genuinely think I could have done longer, but I need to go to breakfast because I'm already late. But these 3 days and sitting for between 20 minutes to an hour really helped me feel really comfortable with sitting for 20 minutes, which is kind of my goal. So that is a huge progress. Even in the moments of meditation where I was really frustrated and in the moments where I couldn't focus at all, well, despite that, like, I had a really enjoyable session right now. As a beginner, if you would like to start meditating, I would really recommend just starting with 5 minutes because you need to create this habit of just sitting for a few minutes every day to just witness your thoughts, and then you can increase it little by little. But here in this retreat there were some beginners and they had to sit for an entire hour, and of course that is so difficult and your mind is like all over the place and your body hurts. And just start with 5 minutes and then increase to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. and you don't have to sit for an hour. I mean, it is the standard of some people to sit for an hour and maybe even longer. So just find what works for you, what makes your mind calm, what eases your anxiety or depression or hyperactivity or whatever it is that you are struggling with. For me, I really noticed that it helps me calm my mind and I have less racing thoughts. So 20 minutes helps me reach that state. That is what I need for now, and I don't feel the need to go deeper and deeper and do like a Vipassana retreat of meditating 10 hours a day. I think it's really important to identify what it is that you need, just you, and not comparing yourself to other people and their journey and their practice. Goodbye, beautiful cave. This was the spot where I could focus the most actually during meditation. Bye-bye, little house. I think I have everything I need. Just need to take a few more photos of the place and then ready to go. So by the time you're watching this, I'm long gone from Ladakh. It's been about a month since the meditation retreat. And overall, I stayed in Ladakh for an entire month, which was a bit too long for my liking. And I had a lot of ups and downs. I also had a falling out with my friend around the end of the trip, which really tarnished a bit of my experience there. But to be honest, I'm still extremely grateful for this entire month, for everything that I've learned and that I've seen. I've witnessed the most beautiful landscapes and cutest animals and the kindest people. I learned a lot about the people here, about the culture and Tibetan Buddhism. And for all these experiences, I can only be grateful, even though I had some difficult moments. And I was very, very impatient to leave around the end. But yeah, looking back, I can only be happy for all of this. And well, now as I'm speaking, I'm in Japan, and that will be in the next video. So I hope you will stick around on my channel to watch that.